Contact details that are saved on the phone also take up a portion of the internal storage. That said, keeping the phone's contacts database optimized is highly recommended. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to merge contacts with duplicate details on the new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 smartphone. But before we move on, please like and share this video so that it will also reach other viewers who might be needing this content. Now, let's get back to our topic. To get started, launch the phone app by tapping on the phone icon from the home screen of your device. If you don't see the phone icon from the home screen, then you will need to access the apps tray and launch the app from there. While in the phone app's main screen, navigate to the bottom section, then tap the Contacts tab. Doing so will load up the Contacts menu on the next display. In the Contacts menu, you will see a list of all your saved contacts on the SIM card or selected account. To continue, tap the three dots icon that's located on the upper right side of the screen. Doing so will take you to the Contacts app menu where you can see different options associated with the inbuilt Samsung Contacts application. Find Manage Contacts from the given options, then tap on it to proceed. Another menu opens with a new set of options that you can use to manage contacts information on your device. To continue, tap Merge Contacts. Doing so opens another screen with more details and prompts to instigate merging of duplicate contacts. While in the Merge Contact menu, find any duplicate contacts or contacts that have the same phone number, email address, or name. Then, select the contact that you'd like to merge. Just tap to mark the desired contact to merge. Once you're done selecting duplicate contacts, you can instigate the merging process by tapping on the Merge icon at the bottom. On the next screen, you will be asked to specify which from the duplicate contacts you would like to use or set as default. Just tap to mark your preferred contact and then follow the rest of the on-screen instructions to complete the merging process. When the merging is complete, all contact details or duplicate contact entries will be consolidated to the default contact that you've specified during the merging process. On the other hand, the secondary contact is removed from the contacts list, resulting in the removal of all duplicate details. And that's it. I hope this video is able to help you out. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap on the bell icon should you wish to get notifications on the next tutorials and troubleshooting guides we publish. Thank you for watching.